If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 GMC Terrain SLE in jet black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6042.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.